In this video, we will learn how to balance chemical equations. Let's start with the unbalanced equation. Orthosilicic acid plus sodium bromide yields silicon tetrabromide plus sodium hydroxide. The first step is to determine the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. Next, we compare the number of atoms and identify elements that are unbalanced. Here, oxygen and hydrogen are unbalanced. We have more on the left than on the right. To balance oxygen and hydrogen, we'll need for NaOH on the right side. Let's recount the atoms. Now, oxygen and hydrogen are balanced, but now Na is not balanced. We need to address this next. To balance Na and Br, we'll need for NaBr on the left side. Finally, we run through the atom count once more. All atoms are balanced with equal counts on both sides. And that's how we balance chemical equations, by making sure the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the reaction.